Welcome back to Health Journey. Today, we're diving into a topic that's gaining immense popularity in the realm of natural health and wellness: adaptogens. These potent herbs and mushrooms have been revered for centuries in traditional medicine for their unique ability to help the body adapt to stress. Join me as we explore the rise of adaptogens, natural stress relievers. Adaptogens are not just another health fad, they're a category of plants and fungi that offer profound benefits for our modern-day stress-filled lives. Imagine having a natural ally that supports your body's resilience, enhances mental clarity, and boosts overall well-being. Let's unpack how these remarkable substances work and why they're capturing the attention of health enthusiasts worldwide. Introduction to adaptogens. Let's start with the basics. Adaptogens are a group of plants and mushrooms that help the body adapt to stresses, both physical and mental. Unlike stimulants that can leave you feeling jittery or fatigued, adaptogens work by balancing and harmonizing the body's stress response system, known as the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal HPA axis. Think of them as your body's trusted companions, gently nudging you towards equilibrium during times of upheaval. Popular adaptogens. Now, let's explore some of the trending adaptogens making waves in the wellness world. Ashwagandha. Known as the Indian ginseng, ashwagandha is revered for its calming properties and ability to support adrenal health. Rhodiola. Hailing from the Arctic regions, rhodiola is prized for its energizing effects and capacity to enhance resilience against stress. Reishi mushrooms. The queen of mushrooms, reishi is celebrated for its immune-modulating benefits and calming influence on the nervous system. These adaptogens aren't just trendy, they're backed by centuries of traditional use and a growing body of scientific research validating their efficacy. Benefits. The benefits of adaptogens extend far beyond stress reduction. Stress reduction. Adaptogens help regulate cortisol levels, our primary stress hormone, promoting a more balanced response to stress. Immune support. Many adaptogens possess immune-modulating properties, bolstering our body's defenses against infections and illnesses. Improved mental clarity. By reducing fatigue and enhancing cognitive function, adaptogens can sharpen focus and mental acuity. Imagine incorporating these natural allies into your daily routine, empowering your body to thrive amidst life's challenges. How to use. Curious about integrating adaptogens into your lifestyle? Here are some practical tips. Teas and infusions. Enjoy adaptogen-rich teas like ashwagandha or rhodiola tea for a soothing and supportive beverage. Supplements. High-quality adaptogen supplements offer convenience and standardized dosages for consistent benefits. Recipes. Experiment with adaptogen-enhanced recipes, from smoothies to soups, to effortlessly infuse your meals with wellness. Remember, consistency is key. Start with small doses and observe how your body responds to find what works best for you. Considerations. Before diving into the world of adaptogens, consider these important factors. Individual needs. Not all adaptogens are created equal. Consult with a healthcare provider to determine which ones align with your unique health goals. Potential side effects. While generally safe, some adaptogens may interact with medications or cause mild side effects like digestive upset. Quality matters. Opt for reputable brands that prioritize purity and potency to ensure you're reaping the full benefits of these natural remedies. Your journey with adaptogens should be informed and mindful, respecting your body's nuances and needs. As we conclude our exploration of adaptogens, remember that health is a journey, not a destination. Whether you're seeking stress relief, immune support, or enhanced vitality, Adaptogens offer a natural pathway to balance and well-being. Embrace these botanical wonders with curiosity and respect, harnessing their ancient wisdom to thrive in today's fast-paced world. What's your experience with adaptogens? Have you tried incorporating them into your routine? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content on Health Journey. Until next time, take care and embrace the power of natural stress relievers. Thank you for watching.